Ever wondered about the potential of apartment REITs as an investment avenue? Well, sit back and prepare to uncover the lucrative opportunities that lie within the specialized form of real estate investment trusts. Apartment REITs, in essence, are entities that invest in and manage apartment properties. They pool funds from various investors to acquire and operate large-scale apartment complexes, thereby providing investors with indirect ownership of diverse portfolios of residential properties. The beauty of this is investors get to enjoy the benefits of real estate investment without the headaches of direct property management. Now, why should one consider investing in apartment REITs? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Firstly, safety and security. The demand for residential properties, particularly apartments, remains steady, irrespective of economic fluctuations. This consistent demand translates into a reliable income stream for investors. Secondly, there's the potential for high appreciation. Historically, residential real estate, including apartments, has shown strong appreciation over time. With ongoing urbanization and increasing demand for housing, especially from millennials, the value of apartment properties is expected to rise even further. Thirdly, diversification. Apartment REITs allow investors to spread their risk exposure across multiple properties in different locations, offering a safeguard against adverse events affecting a single property or market. Lastly, access to large-scale investments. Apartment REITs make it possible for individual investors to tap into significant investment opportunities, typically out of their reach. They pool resources to acquire and manage major apartment complexes, giving investors exposure to high-value assets. In the world of REITs, there are two main types: equity REITs and mortgage REITs. Apartment REITs fall under the category of equity REITs. They invest directly in physical properties, generating income through rental payments and property appreciation. One of the standout features of REITs is their requirement to distribute a substantial chunk of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. This characteristic makes apartment REITs particularly enticing to income-focused investors who are after a regular cash flow. In conclusion, apartment REITs offer a compelling investment opportunity for anyone seeking to leverage the stability, growth potential, and income generation of the residential real estate market. They provide a convenient route into the profitable real estate sector, offering diversification benefits and the prospect of dividend income. As the demand for housing continues to rise, apartment REITs stand ready to deliver attractive returns to investors in the years ahead. So, if you're considering an investment in real estate, it might be time to give apartment REITs a closer look.